Your bow tie guy here. Hey folks, Jeremy with Tony Brown Chevrolet down here in Brandenburg, Kentucky. We're going to talk about this hands-free liftgate feature. What I have is a 2020 Chevrolet Blazer. This is a Premier trim level. This hands-free liftgate feature, it comes in handy, especially for example, you go to the grocery store, you come out, you got your hands full of groceries, and this feature works. You have to have your key fob in your hand, in your pocket, in your purse, and what it will allow you to do is open up the back of this Blazer completely hands-free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a swift motion with my foot, and it's about in line with the edge of this light right here. And I'm just going to make a little kicking motion here. And just like that, liftgate opens. Now on some models, it will actually have the projected bow tie, and what that is, you can't see it on this one, but it will actually illuminate a bow tie on the ground so you know exactly where to make that sweeping motion. So load your groceries up, and then you just do that motion with your foot, same place, in order to close it, and it will give you a couple seconds to back out of the way. You'll see the lights blink, you know it's received the signal. Gives you about 3 seconds, and then it's going to close on its own. So this feature is standard on Premier and RS model Blazers, and you can also get it on other Chevrolet vehicles, Equinox, Tahoe, Suburban. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you all have any questions, just comment below and I'll help you out. Alright, thanks folks.